Commander.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Bye.
How are you?
What are they going to do here?
I'm in here Kiswahili. Kiswahili.
Yes.
Jubaland, it will be controlled by KDF and Sierra Leone. So these new soldiers will be deployed in that area to augment the forces there. So their work is to go and consolidate the achievements already achieved on the ground and to make sure that we stabilize the area.
It makes me feel good because I believe it is payback time. We had a bitter and brutal war for about 10 years in Sierra Leone. The war ended in 2002. And all of you are aware of what role sister African countries played in bringing peace into Sierra Leone. So if we are doing the same thing to Somalia, we believe it is a payback time. And we also pray that the Somali National Force will also do likewise in another troubled sister country in the future.